Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can use two apps in a mobile device without using any app. Okay, let's get started. In this my mobile device, I have two telegrams, this and this. I'll be showing you how I did this without any app. When you look at my Facebook, it is just one Facebook on this mobile device. Look at my Instagram, it is one as well. WhatsApp is one. Do you want yours to be two in a mobile device? Let me show you how you can do this. So tap on settings on your mobile device, select apps and notifications. Depending on the device you are using, it might be different. Locate apps on your mobile device. Mine is apps and notifications. I will tap on that. Locate app clone. Here it is. App clone. You can see different apps I can clone on this particular device. Depending on your device, it might differ. So my Telegram is cloned already. If I want to clone Facebook, I will simply tap on this button, toggle on it to turn it on. If I want to make my WhatsApp too on this mobile device, I can simply toggle on this button and I will have two WhatsApp on this mobile device. The same thing with Instagram. So I'll be turning my WhatsApp to be two. For this purpose, I'll be showing you how you can do other ones when we are done with this. So I will simply toggle on this and this will be duplicated. Okay. Once app clone is enabled, the corresponding duplicated app will be generated on the home screen to allow simultaneous login to two accounts. So let's get to the home screen to see if we now have two WhatsApp. Here it is. The WhatsApp is now two. We did this without using any app. The second way you can do this is to simply tap on the app you want to clone. If I want to clone Instagram, I will simply tap and hold. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select app clone. You can see we now have two Instagram. The same thing with Facebook. Can simply tap and hold and then tap on app clone, and this is now cloned. We now have two WhatsApp, two Facebook, two Instagram, and of course I already had Telegram. This is how you can have two apps in one mobile device without using any app. Okay, if you want to use two different accounts on one mobile device, simply clone the particular app you want to use without any app. If you want to use any app, you can head to the respective store to get one. Simply download and install and you are good to go. You can also app clone it if you want to go with this option. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.